to set up invite tracker bot in Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to set up invite tracker bot in Discord. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just search for invite tracker and click on the first link that you will see on the top. And after that, on the home screen you will see this option called start tracking invite. Just click on it, and here just select the server that you want to set up the invite code, and after that just click on continue. And here you will see all these settings option, so just click on authorize and just verify that you are a human. Once it is done, just go to the server that you have set the invite code for. It will open in your Discord account. As you can see that the invite tracker bot has been set. Now just go back to your invite tracker website and just click on login, and it will log in with your Discord. And after that just click on the dashboard from the top right. And now you will see all the settings with the accounts and server that you have. Just click on configure. And here on the left hand side menu, you have to scroll down and click on join message. So it will set up a join message for people who will join the server will get an automatic tracker bot message for that. So you have to just enable that and click on the setting or emoji that they will receive while joining the server. And after that just select any of the message that or emoji or reaction that you want to set up. I'm just writing hi, and after that just click on text message and embedded it. It's a premium feature, so just click on add message and then just click on save change. And now when you open your Discord server, you will see that the invite code with the hi has been set up. So this is basically how you will be able to set up invite tracker bot in Discord. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.